Hello, legends. I've been asked to do a video to explain or just talk about the difference between an introduction and a referral. And we're talking about this here in terms of the 1, 2, 3 success contributions. A referral is an indication to buy. There's a demonstration, a clear demonstration of a need to buy. So what does that look like? That looks like, can you recommend me a web developer, please? I need a website. It means, can you recommend me a networking group? Can you recommend me or give me an introduction to an insurance broker? I need one. So that is a commitment to buy. You're looking for a service provider. So if someone is is looking for a service provider and you connect them, that's a referral. So a referral is an introduction made, but where that's in good faith that that's going to be business done. Right? They're going to meet, and there's a good possibility that that's going to be closed business. So that is a referral. So even though it's an introduction to someone, it's a referral of business. So it's that need to buy, and the introduction is made on good faith that there's a buying need there. Now, I've also been asked, what about Facebook when you see all these groups, all these social media groups, these community groups? Now, this is also a referral because there is a buying need. So if someone on there, on these groups has said, can you refer me to a good accountant? And you refer them and you tag your accountant in your circle or you tag someone you know, that can be classed as a referral, right? But what I do on the back of that is I don't just tag the accountant. I then go and phone or text the accountant that I'm referring. I send a screenshot or I tell them and I say it would be really great for you to personal message this person and offer them a coffee. So that is also a referral because it's a buying need. You've seen the buying need and you've introduced that person on good faith that that's likely going to turn into business. Now, that is a referral. So on the other hand, an introduction. So an introduction could be, hi, I'm John. I think you should meet Paula because you could be great referral partners. I'd like to introduce you to each other. You've got the same target market, but you're not competing. You might be great referral partners. That's an introduction. Another introduction is, you should just talk to this person. You've got synergies. Or you could be potential clients for each other down the road. I think you should meet. That's an introduction. So you're just networking. We're just doing the hustle at the networking level, but there's no buying need expressed. And that's the difference. Yeah. Now, just on the back of that, on the form, I'll just explain as well. So if you're an accountant and I'm using your services, that's also a referral. I've referred myself to you. Right? So that's a referral. If I have referred my sister to you, that's a referral from me to you. If my sister then refers her boyfriend to you, then that's still a referral from us, but it's a second tier referral or a third tier referral. So we're recording all these referrals that have been given, obviously where you know about them. Because if you're going to refer your sister, you know about it. If your sister then refers somebody else, you might not know about it. But if you do, then record it because that's a referral that's come through you. So if you're using services, that's a referral. And anyone you refer second and third referrals back. So we log them as well. Hopefully that makes sense. Reach out if we want to have a conversation or if there's something not quite explained or if there's something just missing on this video. Let me know. Thank you. Bye.